lah, because almost kena in such a way the taxi driver settle own car, the girl settle own car. So it's not very fair lah. He was aiming to do that lah, like you know, like you settle your own, I settle my own.
Oh, the taxi driver.
Too much.
But end up, yeah, insurance also came. Just waste time.
But I think maybe it's not a taxi, don't know lah.
No, because taxi a little bit uneducated. A little bit uneducated. That's why they didn't think that detail how they're going to fake the report or what. The place you stay, easy to keep your car, then you just get the dashcam things.
No lah, but the good thing is I don't drive a lot. Very little only lah. My mileage 1 year maybe 10k and most.
Turn right and then turn
My
left.
one is almost 10 times more than you.
Wow.
Almost
Turn
10 times
left.
more than your mileage per year.
My mileage low lah. Next time I buy my car already.
Yesterday I drive 500 kilometers. Today I drive 10,000
800 meters.
Actually
Turn
not
left.
even 10k. The last
Turn right.
year I know I did about 17,000.
Why?
Huh?
Why you don't drive that much?
If go drinking means I will grab. My office nearby. Taman Tun only.
Can. Menara can.
Huh?
Menara can.
No, this side low dapat sana.
In 200 meters, turn left and then turn right.
I last time used to drive a lot. Drive Penang, Johor, Penang, Johor. So now after a while, last busy to
Drive until scared already lor.
don't like. I personally I don't like it. I feel like it's my waste time to drive.
Waste
Turn
energy.
left and then
Some more
turn
stuck
right.
jam.
Okay today best to drive. You can drive how you like also. Terbalik upside
My
down.
mileage is quite low.
Yesterday even more free. Yesterday morning before 12 o'clock, all the traffic light I hantam only.
Clear.
What colour also hantam only because I already read the sequence. Agak I know already.
Where you stay?
Kapong.
Nearby.
Almost want to go back already. Yesterday hantam kau.
But the funny thing, last Saturday, I think last Saturday was it? Last Saturday night, no Grab.
What time?
First time.
What time?
At night maybe 9, 10, 10:30.
10:30 Saturday.
I wait 45 minutes for one Grab to just accept
Here.
my house.
Normal
Which is very Taman Tun, very fast.
Turn right.
I never wait.
Normal lah. Quite normal lah. 40 something minutes consider okay already lah.
Oh, why
Some places need around 1 hour or more.
No lah, Taman Tun
In
very fast.
400 meters,
I never wait lah.
turn left.
Never need to wait.
Maybe ngam puasa man lor.
But 10 something lah, quite late
Yeah.
And
In 200
start from
meters,
7.
turn
This is
left.
go to Etra there around the area. Normally 7 ringgit, like today 7 ringgit. Bro, start from 7 ringgit. In the end, you know how much I pay? 15.
Still okay.
Huh?
Still okay.
Okay
Yesterday, if you got use Grab, then you know what happened yesterday lor.
What happened?
For the whole day, the price is like at least
Turn
double lor.
left.
Everywhere you go, at least double
So
lah.
good for you lah. Keep drive.
50-50 lah because all the trip is like
Short.
one end to another end.
Short trip still best lah.
Short trip.
Turn
If the
left.
short trip depends lah. If got putus, then can rest. No putus also tired lor.
House is on the left.
On the left.
You have reached your destination.
This one
Yeah.
Okay.
Use Grab Pay
Yes.
Okay. Thanks bro.
Okay, thank you.
Don't knock down too many smokers.
turn straight bawah saja kan?
Ya.
Okay.
Turn left.
U-turn. Esok cuti? Okay lah. Banyak saya tanya, esok cuti ya? Tak ada kerja. Mood pun sudah tak ada. Susah sangkut lah. Lepas 1 hari, macam 2 hari cuti, 1 hari kerja lagi 2 hari cuti. Oh yo,
Ya.
tak balance lah. So after this planning tengok wayang sama kawan. After this, sekarang pergi jumpa kawan kan?
Tak lah, balik rumah.
Baru, banyak awal. Baru pukul 6 saja.
Jumpa kawan next week lah. This week family je.
Relative lah, family. Wan you dekat-dekat tak pergi tengok wayang ni?
Ramai lah. Kan cuti.
Online beli tiket awal lah. Stay dekat-dekat paling senang.